Sa isang state college, hindi lang edukasyon ang mahalaga, kundi pati ang mga sistemang tumutulong para mas maging efficient ang kanilang araw-araw na operasyon. At isa sa mga ito ang printing. Pero paano nga ba nakatulong ang tamang machines para mas mapalawak pa ang serbisyo ng isang school? Kilalanin natin si Dr. Billy Joe Villena, ang Direktor ng Auxiliary Services Office ng Bulacan Agricultural State College.
I'm Dr. Billy Joe Villena, currently acting or serving as the Director for Auxiliary Services. So si BASC was established in 1952, no? Nagsimula siya as agricultural na high school, turned into college. Papunta na kami para maging university. So si BASC, as of now, is offering more than, I think, 15 plus programs, no? So yung aming flagship na program dito is agriculture. So meron kaming engineering, no? Specifically biosystems engineering and geodetic engineering. Education, we also have business administration, hospitality management, information technology, and other courses. Yun, as mentioned earlier, ang flagship namin is agriculture. No? So we have Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. No? So major in horticulture. We also have veterinary medicine.
Bilang isang state college sa Bulacan, patuloy na pinapalawak ng Bulacan Agricultural State College ang kanilang mga programa at services para sa kanilang students and community. Malaking bahagi rin ng kanilang operations ang Auxiliary Services Office na tumutulong sa iba't ibang pangangailangan ng school. Kasama rito ang services na may malaking ambag sa kanilang Income Generating Project o IGP.
So si Auxiliary Services is primarily we handle all IGP's services. Like for example, dormitory, food services, mga ganyan. As our main function din, so since wala kaming separate IGP office, no? So yung income generating projects is also handled by our office. May mga rental services, water station, and other projects, no? Makakatulong para madagdagan yung income ng school.
Pero bago nila ma-upgrade ang kanilang printing capabilities, marami rin silang naging challenges.
So in terms of printing services, normally outsourcing kami. We observe together with our Vice President for Admin and Finance. Nakita namin na continuous yung expenses namin. Yearly, parang recurring costs na yung mga printing na stuff na kailangan namin. Itong mga tarpaulin, mga t-shirt, no? Every year nangyayari siya. So, nung pinag-aralan namin, ba't di na tayo bumili ng sarili natin? Pag-aralan natin whether kung makakatipid tayo or hindi. That's why we came up na magkaroon or mag-procure nitong mga gamit na to.
Sa isang educational institution, mahalaga ang mabilis at quality na printing. At para mas mapabuti ang kanilang operations, kumuha sila ng printing solutions mula sa PrintBiz.
First, yung EcoSolvent na TARP printer natin dito, pinili na namin yung pinakamalaki. No? So, kasi based on sa pangangailangan namin, ito yung akma. We usually consider, of course, EcoSolvent. No? Mas efficient siya. Sa tingin namin, mas healthy and mas safe gamitin. In terms of sublimation naman, during our study, nakita namin na parang, okay, it's time na din to establish, no? Kahit yung sublimation printing is very helpful. Kasi normally, pag ina-outsource namin, yun lang din naman yung ginagamit nila. So, that's the first consideration. And of course, the price within the budget, talagang pasok siya. Yung mga nag-bids, hindi nila makuha within the price, of course, and within the specifications na kailangan ng school. Medyo mas mababa sila ng konti doon.
Bukod sa malaking tulong ito sa kanilang operations, magiging opportunity rin ito para maturuan ang mga estudyante kung paano gamitin at patakbuhin ang ganitong klaseng machines. Isang practical learning experience na maaari nilang magamit sa kanilang future careers.
This one is intended talaga, no? Magiging training ground din siya for our students. Hindi lang naman para kumita. Magiging part din siya ng mga activities, no, ng mga students. Matrain namin sila hands-on, magamit nila. Specifically, engineering, information technology, yung mga business ad namin, lalo na major in marketing yun. So, kailangan nila itong mga ganito eh. Isa sa mga consideration namin yun, not only para makatipid kami in total cost namin, but also for the students. Ambition namin is to become globally skilled din yung mga aming mga graduates. Yun yung mga bagay na kinonsider namin during the writing of the the proposals. Magagamit ba yun ng estudyante? Ano yung pakinabang na makukuha nila? During the time na ina-outsource namin siya, we do not have the control eh. For those na nag-iisip, yun yung advantage na isipin nyo na you have the control in terms of quality, in terms of what no delays of course kasi kayo na yung gagawa. Those are things na additional points yun during the time na pinag-iisipan namin. Kasi kapag nagpa-outsource ka, out of control mo na yun eh. Basta ibinigay mo na sa kanila. No? But since nandito na siya, isang malaking bagay yun na you have the full control ng mga products mo.
Pero bukod sa machines, mahalaga rin ang magandang service at support.
Si PrintBiz simulat sa pool yan, no? So, tinatawagan namin na si PrintBiz flexible yan. Kasi during the time na supposed to be dapat delivery na nito, no? So, naisip namin bigla na ipatayo itong area. Okay lang. Then, sige sir, we can adjust. We can adjust the delivery dates. We can adjust the training. We can adjust everything, eh. Parang ganun yung nangyari. Which is of course, very thankful yung school, no? With PrintBiz na pinagbigyan kami na to extend dun sa time allotted talaga. Yung after sales, nandyan talaga. Madaling kontakin. Kailangan namin just one call away. Sir, pasend ng ganito, kailangan namin to. Very accommodating naman sila to all questions. This one is not only for deliveries. The title of the project is actually Delivery with Training. No? And we are very thankful with PrintBiz na, of course, meron silang capacity to provide training. Because this is something new to us. Hindi pa kami marunong gumamit nito. No? Though we have small units here, but so very accommodating naman sila na ma-providean kami ng training. Ang ina-expect namin is just a one-day training. No? But we are very thankful na 3 days to. All the setups na nandito na lahat sila from the time of delivery hanggang ngayon na nandito pa rin assisting us pagpapatakbo ng aming printing services. So yun, we are very thankful with PrintBiz of those services na kaya nila i-provide.
At dahil patuloy ang paglago ng kanilang operations, may mga plano pa silang mas palawakin ito.
Moving forward, first, masustain namin. Yun naman yung target pa rin talaga every time na we establish business. No? Since we invest, masustain siya. And of course, mag-grow siya. No? So, hindi naman nag-i-stop of these 2 items. Pag-aralan pa rin namin what are those other services na pwede namin i-attach dito sa printing namin ngayon. Hopefully, mag-grow siya and masustain namin for ilang years. No? One of our college here, parang gusto nila to engage in as part of their income generating na isang college is sana magkaroon sila ng embroidery, no? Sustainability and viability, parang hindi pa kaya. But first, that's part of our future plans na mai-attach na rin dito kasi since nasimulan naman na siya. No? Then hopefully, soon makakuha na rin kami ng for embroidery kasi which is hindi naman natatapos lang for tarp printing din kasi. So yun, hopefully soon maka-avail din kami ng embroidery.
At para sa ibang schools o establishments na nag-iisip din mag-invest sa ganitong klaseng machines,
pag-aralan natin mabuti, pag-aralan nyo mabuti, you can contact PrintBiz. They provide demos naman, no? Actually, during our visit, during the time na binisit namin sila, akala namin visit lang for legal documents, but they show us na ito yung mga gamit na meron sila and then they even show us kung paano ito gamitin, no? They also provide trainings din naman. Aside from that, hindi lang trainings hindi lang skill, but also business aspect din, no? They have the full price list ng mga add-ons nito, mga ginagamit and even the costing, yan yung mga kaya nilang i-provide. So siguro para maliwanagan kayo, you can contact them, no? Mas mapoprovide nila yung mga important details or things, no? Mas maliliwanagan kayo kung paano siya paganahin. As part of office namin, we are very thankful muna first doon sa aming president, no? Kay Dr. James Santine. Very supportive siya doon sa initiatives na iisip ni Auxiliary Services. No? Very supportive. Tinulungan kami na makarating ng board na ma-approve siya sa board. Yeah. And of course, we are very thankful din with the PrintBiz. After the bidding, no, nandiyan na sila. All things na kailangan namin. Kasi nung i-establish namin to, parang sila na yung tinatanong namin ano yung mga kailangan namin. No? So hindi lang naman basta bumili kami. Hindi nila kami iniwan hanggang sa matayo siya. Even the small things na kailangan namin, so they are assisting us para mag-operate. I think this one, hindi naman dito nag-end na ma-deliver siya agad. And I think magiging continue pa rin yung ating relationship with PrintBiz. Kung magkakaproblema man or hindi. And I hope nandiyan pa rin sila. We are very thankful sa pinapakita nila sa amin.
sa panahon ngayon, mahalagang may partner kang maaasahan pagdating sa quality at efficiency. At para sa Bulacan Agricultural State College, isa sa mga naging katuwang nila ay ang PrintBiz. Hindi lang para sa mas mabilis na printing, kundi para rin sa mas maayos at mas sustainable na school operations. At kung naghahanap ka rin ng reliable at quality printing solutions para sa inyong school, business o organization, handa kaming tumulong dito sa PrintBiz. For more updates, machine at inspiring client stories, like and follow our Facebook page at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel.